Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy a server in Discord. So the first thing you'd want to do is click on your server settings or the server that you want to copy. So click on that. So go to server settings. And here under the server on server template, click on that. So as you can see, server template is an easy way to share your server setup and help anyone create a server instantly. So right here, it says that templates will copy channels and channel topics, roles and permissions, and default server settings. So just create a template title, let's say ultimate server right there, and template description. You can just write like anything you want. So after that, click on generate template right here. So as you can see, you could go copy and also you could go preview that template. So there, just click on create. You could also add a photo, upload a photo for your server. Just click on create. So it might take a while, but after it's done, as you can see, it's already created. And as you can see, it's identical to the original server. So that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.